something that involves water.
What should we play?
I think we need to go to the store.
Okay, let's look for some class. Okay.
Finally back from the store.
What are we going to do with that?
We're gonna make a slip and slide. You may require help from an adult. Time for the special ingredient, soap.
When your kids refuse to take a bath, next best thing.
You know what? That is way better. And bubbly. And easy way to take a bath.
Then just have to go in the shower.
Easy,